Hey y'all, welcome to my Pescatarian Grocery Haul. So it is 2021 and I want to eat healthier and I lost weight previously. So I wanted to go back to that pescatarian diet. So the first thing I'm going to show y'all are my fruits and my vegetables. You see that I have a whole lot of fresh fruits. I love fresh fruit, fresh vegetables. And I also use my fruits and stuff for my smoothies. So you see a whole lot of color. I got mangoes, I got bananas and strawberries and pineapples and stuff because I like sweet stuff. So I freeze my fruit and then I blend it up and it tastes like ice cream. So that is what I really like. I just buy like one bunch of bananas, 2 pounds of strawberries because I really like strawberries, and I got some kiwis and some avocados. So these are my meats, my fish, because that's really all I eat. I also eat turkey bacon, but that's really like the only other kind of meat that I can tolerate. You see that I've got my tilapia and I have my shrimp of all different sizes because, you know, you can do a lot of things with different sizes of shrimp. So here's my dairy. I don't have a whole lot of dairy because I'm really trying to cut back on my dairy. So I got my cotija cheese. I'm using that for my elotes. I got my sour cream for my sauce for my elotes. And I have my sour cream for my Southwestern egg rolls that I made. Stay tuned if you want to see a video for that. So here are my breakfast foods. I have some instant oatmeal because I do have class 2 days a week and sometimes you just don't want to cook. So I got some Boom Chicka Pop. I've never had it before and I must say it was kind of a waste of money. So here is my PB Fit. So if you didn't see the calorie label on there, it is powdered peanut butter, so it takes, you know, there's more protein and you have less fat than regular peanut butter. And those are my rice cakes and all that good stuff. So here is my meal prep. So the first thing I do is I typically like to cut up my broccoli and cook my broccoli first. I don't know why, because it cooks extremely fast, but you can see that I'm just using it, cutting it on my cutting board, and my footage was trash, but I did put it on the stove. So the next thing I do while my broccoli is cooking, I start cutting up my fruit so I can prep it for my smoothie bags so I don't have to cut up any fruit. So after I cut up all my fruit for my smoothie bags, I put them in the freezer because I don't know, it's way easier to just cut up all the fruit rather than to buy frozen fruit because it's less expensive and you can get more for your money. So I'm gonna black bean. I'm a corn and black beans myself to death, y'all. I put corn and black beans in everything. Like I can just eat it in a bowl. So I'm just cooking it on the skillet. I put a cover over it and then I let it cook. I put some blackening seasoning over it and I put some Slap Your Mama seasoning, some Cajun seasoning, all that good stuff. So after I finish, I put it in some glass Pyrex containers. You're gonna see them up close at the end. And I love my Pyrex containers. They're just real aesthetic looking. So my next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cook my shrimp in my air fryer. I just love my air fryer, y'all. It makes everything so much easier. I don't have to pull out a ton of dishes, and I just cook my shrimp in my air fryer. And I cut up some potatoes so I can meal prep me some mashed potatoes. So here is what my meal prep looks like at the end, and here are some meals that I made with the things that I bought. So I made some elotes, I made some Southwestern egg rolls, and I made me a little shrimp bowl, and I just love making breakfast. So you've come to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. Also, do not forget to check out my Pretty Girl Diaries podcast. With that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.